Hello, welcome back to another aviary and quail video. So just another update. So today I got some more quail. They're just all getting used to each other, still fighting. So I got 2 males and 5 hens. So this is the aviary. Some of the males. That's the dominant male. He's showing everyone his best. The reason why I think I'm doing these, because I think there's not a lot of people out there doing aviary and quail. So just to give you a few tips, I haven't got much experience myself, but it's doing pretty well. I've got budgies, that's the finches. I've got Bengalese finches, but you can't actually see them. They're actually nesting away. Got 9 of them, and they're all nesting, each one of them. So they're all doing well. It's just what foods I use, and it's simple really. Like, because of the birds above, they drop a lot of food, so that's a lot of food, and just vegetables. We have a greenhouse. What we get a lot of vegetables out. So yeah, this is it. That's my big male. So yeah, these are just a couple of things. So if you need any help, any questions with quail, I've been looking a lot up. That's just normal. If they ever do that, don't get worried. That's just the male, that's the female. I ain't heard them noises much, but that just because I think I put another 3 new ones in. But here's another. Yeah, come on. And that's my mate. I think he's kind of hiding. So yeah, just a couple of things, like some maggots. Normally I do use mealworms, but I think the person ran out, so I just got some maggots. Hold on a sec. Got some maggots. All I do is put a few out every couple of days. Nice treat. And here's my mix. It's pretty big mix. It's good variety. So I'm good friends with my local pet shop dealer, and he gives me good deals. But I've just got a bit of everything in there. Layers, pellets, normal chick crumb, dry corn, budgie seed, finch seed, with everything really, and some garlic. And there's some nice chick from some garlic. It's quite good from some shells are in there. And we got budgies and finches. That's just standard, you know, the food millie, whatever. Finch seed as well, I mix it both together. Got some treats, got egg food. I do put quite a bit of this out, just because the dealer I do it with, he does it homemade. There's some maggots in there as well, because I know the finches like it. Does it homemade, so he does a big bag, he puts his own breadcrumbs, everything in there. That's just a little box. So yeah. Give them a bit of everything, try. I have given them a pineapple, so they've pecked at it, not done much with it, but that's their food bowl. The male's straight back in there. I think that's where he's trying to hide. They just gotta get used to each other, and then they'll be alright. But yeah, this is my water. It is actually a dog bowl, and it just fills up whenever they drink out of it. You just clean it and just pull it out. Clean with your finger, so it's pretty good. I do put natural nesting boxes, so I've got coconuts in there, all been bred in. There's some of my Bengalese finch. Here's well, she went in there. But yeah, they're all doing well. And put a natural one in there. I might have to take this one out because I have had an egg fall off, so I don't know if it was just to test. There was a male and female, what quite didn't know it's go in the boxes, so I just put that out and they went straight on it. So I might just have to put some side pieces on there. I just made it myself with some mesh and some sticks and let them nest it. I let them nest all their own boxes. But yeah, so if you need any questions, just comment underneath. And yeah, thank you.